All right, next we're going to be going over L strikes. This is going to be our most basic move and our foundation for our nunchucks, because whenever you mess up or you want to switch positions, you're always going to go to your L strike. So you should know your basic L strike by now. Put on your shoulder. Remember, hip, hip, shoulder, hip, hip, shoulder. Remember to roll it around your body so you don't beat yourself up and turn black and blue. All right? Now, with your other nunchuck, you're going to take it, remember, holding it one thumb length from the top. Put it on your shoulders and go across. 1, 2. As that one hits your shoulder, it's going to come across. 1, 2. Hit the shoulder, come across. 1, 2. Hit the shoulder. 1, 2. Shoulder. And as you get it, you're just going to start speeding up. Okay? And as you practice, start going at different angles. Okay? Switching angle and switching. And as you get better and better at it, okay, make sure you can start moving your body and going with your nunchucks. Because as again, you don't want to stay still and beat up your body. That's going to hurt, okay? So start moving with your nunchuck. And you can start going faster. All into a nice catch, okay? And so make sure you hold your nunchucks nice and tight, because as you go faster and faster, you don't want to fly out and hit somebody, all right? So those are going to be your basic L strikes.